Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to make a sheet metal model in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's video. So we'll take a sheet metal part. Now we'll take a 2D sketch on the top plane. Just rotate it and take the rectangular command. Okay, take the dimensions 50, press the tab button and 50. Okay, exit from command by OK. Now for sheet metal, you can first finish the sketch. Take the face command. It will automatically select the sketch and press OK. Now this is the by default thickness in sheet metal, which is 0.5. To change the thickness, select the sheet metal defaults. It will show you the 0.5 mm thickness, so you can uncheck this and change the thickness. Like I want a thickness of 1 mm, so I'll type 1 and enter. So now the thickness is 1 mm. Okay, so now take the flange command, select this edge for so it will go downwards. Now give the dimension of, I'll take a length of 15 mm and apply. Similarly, I need edge this side as well, so I'll select this edge, same 15 mm, apply, and I need one flange over this top face. Select this, it will go upward. This also I want 15 mm, but in this case I'll go for advanced settings. I'll take the width command. I need this flange of 25 mm as width. Okay, and apply. So the tiers will automatically come here. Okay, now I want to make whole profiles on this face. So select the face, take the new sketch, create sketch command, take the circle, make a circle of dia 3 mm. Similarly over here, I'll show you one thing as well. Just I'll take a random dimension, make a circle. Okay, now I want this circle should have a relation with this, so I'll take the equal constraint, select this circle and select this, so both are equal. I don't have to give any dimension to this circle. Now take dimension, take a dimension of 7.5 from bottom and 10 mm from side. Similarly, this is 10 mm, and take a horizontal constraint, select this center point and select this center point, exit from command by right click. Okay, now as we have drawn the circle on this face, but I need a cut as well as on this face. So for that, go to 3D model, take the extrude command, select this profile, flip the direction so it's turning into red. You can just click on this arrow and drag it out of the profile. So now you can see this face as well have the holes, and press OK. Okay, now click on this face, or just wait a minute. I'll take a ham command, for this, and I'll make a ham over here, inward direction. Just you have to make a click on the edge, the profile will be automatically generated, and apply. Now select this face, take a new sketch, take the circle command, make a circle of dia 3 mm, and this also by equal command 3. Now take the dimensions. For this I'll take a dimension of, I'll say 5 mm, and this as well 5 mm, and from bottom I'll take it 7.5. Okay, it will be more, so 5 mm, and take the horizontal constraint, select this center point and this center point, so it will show you fully constrained geometry. You should always work in fully constrained geometry. Select finish sketch, it will come out of sketch. Now I only need to cut this face, so I can take cut command on sheet metal, select this profile and select this profile. It will automatically cut thickness. Okay. Now I need to give a radius on these edges. For that, go to corner round, take a radius of 2 mm, as 6 mm will be a large radius. Select this edge, select this edge, and as well as this, and apply. So the profile is almost done. You can give a color as well. So I'll take this whole solid body and change its color. I like to give glossy blue, and okay, select solid and apply. Okay, so the profile is done. So the modeling for today is complete. I hope you like the video. If you do so, please do like CAD practice for more such videos, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.